What's up, guys? Another hot sauce video. So this one is on Buffalo Trace whiskey flavored hot sauce. What about that? All right. So very interested in this. This was found at a major grocery store on the East Coast here in Pennsylvania. It's actually coming from B&G Foods in Parsippany, New Jersey. So the ingredients on this guy is distilled vinegar, salt, sugar, cayenne peppers, natural flavors, guar gum, xanthan gum, bourbon, and ascorbic acid. All right. So basically, this is going to be a regular cayenne pepper hot sauce with the addition of actual bourbon. It doesn't even say whiskey. It says bourbon, but it doesn't say Buffalo Trace bourbon in here. It's just one of those things. I would assume since they're collaborating, or at least allowing them to use the name, that they would be using the actual Buffalo Trace bourbon. I can almost guarantee if there's real bourbon in here, which they say there is, you would never in a million years go, yeah, that's Buffalo Trace. No. Most people will be hard-pressed to have just a glass of bourbon and recognize that's Buffalo Trace, unless you drink a lot of whiskey and bourbon, or specifically Buffalo Trace, is your go-to. You would maybe know the difference, but in a hot sauce in small quantities, doubtful. The question is, does this taste like whiskey? Right? Now, I happen to really like Buffalo Trace. As far as bourbons go, that's definitely one of my top. I mean, first of all, let me say, I love bisons, like the animal buffaloes. I love them for a lot of reasons. I went on my trip with my grandfather and saw them in person. It's so majestic. I was in Yellowstone National Park, literally just driving down the road and stopping and having, 400 buffalo all around you like that. It was one of the coolest moments of my entire life. I love coins and collecting coins, and the buffalo, as you guys know, is popular design for many different coins and currency throughout American history, right? It's just, I love it. So the artwork on the bottle of Buffalo Trace has already got, it's got me hooked because I like the buffalo thing, but it's just classy. But the actual bourbon is good. I think it's a very good, affordable go-to. So excited to try this one. Let's break into it and see what we got. All right, so first we got to take off our little plastic here. All right. Now this is probably going to have one of those little dripper things in it, because when people have hot sauce, they definitely don't want to usually dump it all over. They want to kind of have it splash out little bits at a time. And there it is. Now, if you don't know, these just pop right off. All right, so if you do want to get more hot sauce at a time, you can certainly take those off. But I'm doing it now so I can smell it better and I can pour it easier. All right. Oh, yeah. Generic cayenne hot sauce. With just kind of a little bit of a whiskey smell. I don't know if I can specifically say it's bourbon. It just has a whiskey smell. All right, give this a go. Pour a decent amount here. Okay. Cheers. Huh. It's really weird because I can smell, and I am getting over being sick, but I have it, my full taste of, or my full sense of taste and smell. I just still have a little bit of congestion still in my nose, but I don't know why. Okay. All right. So the first taste, even though it was a full spoonful, I really couldn't taste the bourbon. Like it was so subtle. Like it wasn't even there. It was non-existent. Then I tried just a little bit more, and I could taste it. I could taste the bourbon flavor in there. You would never, again, I would never guess. First of all, you wouldn't even know it's bourbon, to be honest. It's a little bit sweeter, but that has to do with the sugar of the hot sauce. I don't think specifically from the whiskey that's added. It's just a generic, just whiskey flavor with the cayenne peppers and the vinegar. The heat is very, very low, which is good news for people who like trying hot sauces, but maybe don't have a high tolerance to the heat. It also makes it more versatile when it's not too hot, because then you can put it on anything. What's interesting is the vinegar is actually pretty low. It seems like a thicker sauce too. It's not as watery, so it has a thicker mouthfeel to it. Just a little disappointing that the whiskey flavor is so little. It really is just like barely there on the tail end. It's not. I would want it to be very upfront. That's the whole point. That's why you bought this. You know, when you're looking at the hot sauce section at your store, and you see, you know, Crystal hot sauce, and you see Tabasco sauce, and you see this, you go, wow, Buffalo Trace, yeah, and you buy this. You don't buy this because it tastes like Tabasco and someone who drank whiskey breathed on your food. You know what I mean? It's not a hint of whiskey. It's supposed to taste like whiskey. You know, you want to feel like you're drinking, you know, a glass of Buffalo Trace that has hot sauce in it. Not, again, hot sauce that, you know, someone breathed on it with whiskey breath. So, disappointing for sure. I love the bottle. I love the aesthetic. But the sauce just kind of, it's nothing special there. The whiskiness, the whiskey part of it. It's not the first hot sauce that had whiskey in it, by the way. Maybe it's the first that has Buffalo Trace specifically. But yeah, it's just, man, disappointing. It says Buffalo Trace, smooth and savory blend, whiskey flavored hot sauce with other natural flavorings. Inspired by the flavors of Buffalo Trace. Yes, inspired by. So, you know, a little generic for me. I wouldn't get it. I wouldn't recommend it unless you just like the look of the bottle. I'll tell you this. If you have a little bar in your house, like an actual set-up bar, yeah, then you keep this on the bar, on the corner, you know, with the condiments and stuff. That's cool. But other than that, you can pass it up. Unless you just collect hot sauces. The bottle art's cool. So anyway, that's it. Let me, actually, before I go, let me see what it says. Add this smooth and savory Buffalo Trace whiskey-flavored hot sauce to spicy beef sliders, chicken tenders, zesty queso, and more. It says hot honey glazed pork chop recipe. Combine 1/2 cup honey with 2 tablespoons hot sauce. Drizzle over 4 boneless pork chops and grill. Okay. Yeah. Like I said, I'd pass it up, but the bottle's cool. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.